This client specifically came to me with an issue that we don't often see, which is having a posture that is essentially too good. Hey guys, it's Alex here from HEXA Health Hub, and today the video that you're going to be watching is a case study of a one-on-one client session with myself and one of my clients in the gym. This client specifically came to me with an issue that we don't often see, which is having a posture that is essentially too good. What I mean by that is most of the time when people have a poor posture, they end up in these forward flexed or rounded positions through their mid-back. We call this thoracic kyphosis. Sometimes there's an off chance where people can go too far the other way with their posture and end up with too much of a straight or a flat back position, where we call this thoracic lordosis, or excessive straightening of the mid-back. Some issues can arise with this, such as increased stiffness or decreased mobility through your mid-back, specifically with rotational movements, as that is what the thoracic spine is mainly responsible for doing with the body, is rotational movements. But also with winging or tilting of the scapula or the shoulder blades as they rest onto the chest wall. We need a slight curve through your thoracic spine for your shoulder blade to function properly. So following on in this video now is our first rehab session that we did in the gym with this client, just showcasing a few of the exercises that we use in the clinic to start helping improve a bit of thoracic kyphosis, or rounding through that mid-back, to try and get away from the flat back position to gently follow the natural curves of the spine, and how we start fixing and correcting winging of the scapula. Hope you enjoy it. All right, hips back a little bit further. Good, hold that there, and then lift. 3, 2, 1, swap. 3, 2, 1, swap. 3, 2, 1, swap. Hold it there, shift your shoulders forwards a little bit. There, hold that and then lift. 3, 2, 1, swap. 3, 2, 1, swap. 3, 2, 1, swap. Shoulders forwards a little bit, and then lift. 3, 2, 1, swap. Press the scaps. Good. Now shift forwards a little bit. Yep. 3, 2, 1, swap. One more each way. Lift the shoulders. Press the shoulders. Yep. 3, 2, 1, swap. 3, 2, 1, relax. Reach around with that left arm. Chest up a little. Yep, reach. Yep. And hold. And rotate. Chest up a little, and reach. Yep.
Patience, man. Amazing.
Reach, yep. Reach, yep. Stance leg, lock it out, yep. And then lean into it a bit, lean forward, there. And reach, knee up, yep. Stance leg, yep. Lean forwards a bit. Yep, knee up. And press. shoulder back. That side's good. Don't rotate your right shoulder. Don't, you're twisting your right shoulder back to the roof. So just lift your hand off. Take 90% of the pressure off the hand. That's it. And then tap. Better, much better. All right, tap the left hand. Good. Press through the scaps again. Lift the chest. All right, extend your mid back a little bit. No. Put your hand back down. Extend your mid back a little. Yep. Press your scaps. There. Now, 90% of the weight off your right hand. Don't rotate, and then bring it up. And place back down. Good. 2 more each way. One. All right, hold it there. All right, spread the scaps a bit. There, hold that. Now press. Do the lift up. Yep. 2, and 90% of the pressure off, but don't rotate, and then take it up and relax.
Yeah, need to break it into those stages, hey?
Yeah.
Rather than just try to swing it.
Yeah.